Let's say that you are the webmaster of the Seniors Computer Group, and you are wondering whether someone has stolen one of your photos. Maybe somebody's told you that they saw that same photo somewhere else, but it didn't have anything to do with the Seniors Computer Group. Or maybe you're on your page on Flickr where you have a bunch of photos of your vacation rental, and you hear that one of these photos is maybe showing somewhere else. How do you find out whether that's true? Well, there are two ways to do it. One is if you're using Internet Explorer or Firefox or another browser other than Google Chrome, and the other is using Google Chrome. I'll show you all the other browsers first. The first thing you do is to open Google Images. So you can do that by typing in Google Images, or if you've been there before, you can go directly to Google Images in Google Search right here. It's https images.google.com. When you get there, you will see something that looks like the regular Google search, except that in this box down here there's a little camera. First thing you want to do is click on that camera because it says search by image. And when you do that, you can paste an image URL in here, you can upload an image from your computer, or you can drag an image here from somewhere else. That's what we're going to do first. So now if you've done this right, you're running two browsers, one with this Google image search on it, and the other with the photo that you want to investigate. Well, in order to drag from one to the other, you've got to have those two windows running alongside each other. So to do that, you go up here and click Restore Down, and on this one, you go up here again and click Restore Down. And because I've done this before, they are now in the right place, but if they aren't, you move them around. You put one here and one over here, and you now go to this little camera and click it again, and now you drag this image over here where it says drag an image here, or try dragging an image here. Here it comes. You drag it right to, and it says drop the image here. You let go there, and then you see that I'm going to now make this particular window larger again. You now see that it has put this image up on the top, and it has shown you some visually similar images, but it hasn't shown you any particular place down here, which is where they go if there are other places on the internet where this photo has been posted. So now let's go back and look at one where there are other places on the internet. So let's go back to the search page, and let's put this back in a smaller place, and let's go to a place where I know there's some photos where they appear more than one place on the internet. Here's a photo that I'm now going to drag over here to the search, the Google image search. And now when I enlarge this, it shows the image up here, and down below it shows all the places on the internet that have exactly matching images. All of these places have this same picture. And you can go to that website, and if you are upset about your picture having been posted on their website, you can send them an email or send them a letter and say, cease and desist, that's my picture. I am not particularly upset about that because it is shown on a travel website in Canada, and that picture is of my vacation rental on Kauai, and I'm happy to have Canadians come and visit my vacation rental on Kauai. To review, you go to the Google image search page and you click on the little camera in the search box. You make this window small enough so that you can put it side by side with the place where the picture you want to investigate resides, and then you drag that picture here. As I said, this works this way in all browsers except Google Chrome. Let's see how it works in Google Chrome. I will start Chrome. And I will go to a place where I open just the website that I want to investigate. And the easiest one for me is, once again, my vacation rental on Kauai. In this case, when you want to investigate a particular photo, you simply put it up in Chrome and you right-click on it. And one of the options is search Google for image. When you left-click on that, you get the same result as when you dragged it into that Google image box with the camera in the other browsers. Here this lists all the places on the internet where this picture is shown. That's how you do it in Google Chrome. That's how you do it in all the other browsers. Investigate away.